Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We have 2 pasture-raised eggs. We got some bacon. We got some shredded cheddar cheese. We got a nice slice of sourdough bread. Farmer's Market fresh chopped tomatoes, some butter, and some pepper. Greetings, Mike Foster here. You know, I have a series of videos about eggs on toast, and I'm adding to it today with scrambled eggs with bacon, cheese, and tomato on toast. It's going to be delicioso. I'm going to get that toast down and meet you at the stove to put the rest of this baby together. Check it out. All right, this is a medium pan. Might be a little warm. There it goes. I'm going to immediately put the tomatoes down because I want to hear a sizzle. Mix shizzle. We'll put 1 egg down. Put the other egg down. Yeah. A little more butter. Hit it up with a little peppers. All right. Bust this egg, bust that one. Get these going a little. What did I say was in this? Yeah, I said bacon. I'm not kidding about that. This is a fast scramble. Nice. You just want to get it going, get those eggs in a good spot, and add the cheese. This is cheddar again, I said. All right, a little more pepper. And that's about it. You just melt this cheese and get that toast. I'll meet you over the counter, put the rest of this together. Let's butter this fine mess. Is that a lot of butter? Maybe, but let's see. It's perfect to me. That's what I just cooked. Now it's on the toast. Pile it on. Oh yeah. Was it a mess? Perhaps. We can straighten that out. But that's how you want it. That's also your close-up. What's next? Big bite coming up. There it is again. Eggs, bacon, cheese, and tomato on toast. It's piping hot. You eat it just like this. Ah. First thing that hits me is the sweetness of that tomato. And then the buttery crunchiness of that toast. How about some bacon? Oh yeah. It all blends in wonderfully. You taste a little of savoriness of the bacon, the creaminess of the cheese and the eggs. Check out my other eggs on toast recipes at Live Life 365 at all my socials. And tell folks about it and keep subscribing. Keep living the sweet bamboo. Peace.
Live life 365.
We're gonna, get that going. We're not messing around. I won't repeat myself, I've said it many times. I'm not kidding. Alrighty. This is eggs on toast, guys, and that looks good. Eggs on toast. That's what people want, Daddy. Well, how do you eat this thing? Oh, I changed it up. I called it, instead of living 365, I said, keep living the sweet bamboo. Woohoo! That's good stuff. Good stuff. That came right on time. It's just what the doctor ordered. Let's see what's up here. Yeah, that's baseball. And then over there, more baseball. Bubba.